Hey guys, Squint here. Today we're going to work on a challenge Locke sent us from Bear's Back. This is an Albert Lebel. He's got this one called Hostile. There's the keyway on it. It's a mummied up key. We're going to play around a little bit, I think, with, let's play around with our little Medusa pick here. This pick, I usually wouldn't classify a rake as a pick, but this is a rake handy pick in one. I really like the lift on this pick when you turn around and use it. So we're going to rake this lock just a little bit and see what it gives us, and then see if we can use the pick side to finish it off. Okay, not much that way. Let's see what goes on this way. Yeah, let's see what we got pick-wise, if anything wants to talk to us. I'm going to put a shotgun in the bottom so I don't slide off. Big click out of one, small turn. Damn, this thing is bound up for sure. Okay, a little clicker out of 5, 4, 3's bound up, something terrible. Probably just overset 3. Okay, there's got to be some kind of undercutting or something in that chamber. Try to scoot this over. I'm pinned up against the edge of the desk. There we go. Just a little click there, small little turn again. Three. Big deep false set there. Dang, thought that was going to be it. I mean, this is ridiculous on the full set. I'm not rubbing up against the warding or the back of the vise. This lock is just crazy with spools. There it is. Alright guys, I'm telling you, this Medusa pick, I mean, it still took me about 8 minutes, but this is the pick, man. I love it. This thing is awesome. I mean, it gets through challenge locks, gets through regular locks. You guys can see there, we got Hostile by Big Al open. Using that pick, some tension control. Let's open this thing up, see what's in there. This Medusa pick, I'm telling you, it's not, you know, some of these picks that you get from Sparrows, some of the rakes and some of the combinations that you guys have seen. I've got a few of them, you know, but you can use this pick to get these challenge locks open. Just have to feel for it. All right, let's check out the bidding of this key and see what this that pick was able to get open. I'm telling you, I love that pick. I don't use it a lot, but when I do use it, it opens just about everything I've thrown at it. I might try starting to pick some of them damn high security locks with it. Not a bad, terrible bidding. It's really good bidding. Real highs back here. I mean, that's almost zero bidded on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 pinner. Key works beautifully in it. Let's go ahead and crack it open and see what he's got inside for us. I'm telling you, get yourself one of those. Get you one of those Medusa boom slang. It does not disappoint. If you have a lock that you can't get open, if you tried everything that you can throw at it, throw that at it. To me, it's got the perfect, I like it because when I'm picking this kind of, the bottom of this pick, you've got a great rise on it, but the bottom of it, the raking part, the snake rake or the S rake part, gives you a little bit more lift. And I'm telling you, get one. Please, let me know how you guys like it. Because I love it. I mean, it's just really, really, I mean, I'm expecting this to have just about every type of pin in it, especially being made by Al. The dude makes some phenomenal challenge locks, and for that pick to be able to get through there, I wouldn't even say is a testament to my picking skills, but it's a testament to that pick. Lockney did a fantastic job on making it. I'm glad that he sent it to Sparrows. Sorry about the airplane, guys. I live right next to the Air Force Base, so. Alright, you guys can see everything in there is in and working. It's got some nice undercutting in there. Standard in 1, serrated in 2, standard in 3, serrated, triple serrated in 4. It's got some relief cuts in the core there on 5, standard. And another standard in 6. Maybe he was trying to, oh yeah, maybe he did. He was doing an undercut there in 5. It looks like maybe he hit the top of the, alright, let's see what he did up top. This is where usually all the magic is. There's a spool, what I expected. Real deep spool too. A little serrated pin in 2, a little double serrated. For some reason that spring does not want to come out. I don't even see a spring in 1. There it goes, a little bitty copper spring. 2. Come out there. He's poking up just a tad bit. There we go. Another little copper spring. 3. Really, really long. Oh, that's a pin and pin. Serrated pin and pin. That little spring. None of these springs want to come out of here. Well, I just flung it somewhere. We'll get it here in a second. That was another little copper spring. 6. Double serrated. Got a copper spring in there too. There's a deep spool in 5. And then in 4. Looks like it's another double serrated. All the springs look to be the same. I'll have to find this other spring it flung somewhere. Yep, and then there's another one stuck. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about it. It's another little copper spring. We just want to show these pins. Boom, there you go. Alright, so you guys can see in number 1 he had a standard and a deep, deep spool here. In 1, 2, he had a double, that's upside down. Let me fix that real quick. That one's upside down, that one's upside down. Trying to get those key pins oriented correctly. He has a triple serrated there, and then another double serrated driver with another little copper spring. And then in number 3 he had a standard, and then he has this beautiful pin and pin. That was probably the pin that we kept getting hung up on was number 3. He has the body of it serrated, you can see there, and then it matches together with the serrations. And you can see he's got another serrated on the bottom of that, on the bottom of the thin pin too. Then in number 4 he has another double serrated driver and a triple serrated key pin. In number 5 he had a standard and a real deep spool, which you saw on those false sets. And then in number 6 he had a standard and another double serrated. So excellent work there. He had copper springs in all of the chambers. So one of them flung out here somewhere on the floor. I'll get down there and find it here in a second. But all right, guys, that was Hostile from Albert Lebel. Opened up with the Medusa. You guys can see here. Go get you guys one of these. At least have one in your arsenal. This to me is my fail-safe, my go-to. So it's S rake and almost a medium pick or a medium hook. Alright guys, this is Squint. Remember, if it's not your lock, don't be putting a pick in it. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell, and hope you guys enjoyed the use of the Medusa pick on Albert Lebel's Challenge Lock Hostile. Alright guys, this is Squint. I'll be on to the next lock.